The next section in our behavior intervention plan is the data collection plan. This correlates with number 17 in our TATE. It's a specific plan for collecting and monitoring data on both the problem and replacement behaviors. Following implementation of the behavior plan is included. So for this section in our behavior intervention plan, we would like to know what data will be collected. So for example, the number of work refusals, etc. And then how the data will be collected. Is it going to be frequency data? Is it going to be put in a Google form, etc.? Or duration data? And then who's going to collect the data? Is it the special education teacher, the general education teacher, the parapros, the social worker, etc.? And how often are they going to collect data? Is it going to be daily? Is it going to be 3 times a week? Weekly? Those kinds of questions. And then how are you going to analyze and summarize the data? And who is going to do that? So is the teacher going to email the social worker the data, and then the social worker will graph it and then share that information out before the next progress monitoring meeting or at the next progress monitoring meeting? That is very important to determine if our interventions are effective and working, or if they are not effective and maybe we need to tweak them or run them with more fidelity. So this section, the example is that what data will be collected is the number of times Johnny elopes from the room during math. How we are going to collect the data is by using frequency data, and we will collect it every time that he leaves the room without permission, and then the teacher is going to enter that into a Google form. So the teacher is going to do that on a daily basis, and we're going to get frequency data. And then the social worker will graph the data and analyze it and have it prepared for the team to view at each progress monitoring meeting. This data is being collected to determine if the target behavior is increasing or decreasing, which will then hopefully give us an idea if our interventions are working or not. The next part of this is twofold. We also need to address the replacement behavior and if that is working or not. So how we do that is, for example, by collecting the number of times that Johnny uses his break card independently during math class. So how will that data be collected? Frequency data could be collected and then entered into a Google form, and the teacher could keep track. Johnny used his break card 5 times today during math class. Excellent. So then maybe that's why he only left the room without permission 1 time. Or you might see the data showing that Johnny didn't use the break card at all during math class, and he eloped 10 times during math class. So maybe that's telling us that we need to teach how to use that break card some more. So this will just give you a little bit better understanding of maybe why your interventions aren't working, or if they need to be run and practiced or taught more or ran with more fidelity.